Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Tutu Trade. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so, because I do share opportunities in the pro firm industry with you. Because sometimes I will share the opportunity, it's limited time, example like maybe 7 days, sometimes 2 weeks, and then maybe you come and see it maybe 3 weeks later, and then you'll be thinking maybe it's not true, like they are doing something like that. Maybe you go and check and then you don't find it or you don't see it, and you'll be thinking maybe it's not true. So please subscribe so that whenever I post a video or an opportunity, like you can see it early and then you take advantage of it. This is another opportunity from ForTraders funding. So they are giving their 6K account for $9.99, and then you can see the promo code on the screen right now. I'm sharing with you, which is what 6K FEB. I am putting their link inside my description, and then which is ongoing right now, and I think it will be ending very soon, maybe within 3 days or 4 days, and then the promo will end. So if you have not gotten an account and you want an account for them, which is 6K, which formerly the account price of the challenge of that particular 6K is what 49, and then they are $49, and by they are doing a discount on it right now, ongoing. Today's date is what 6th February, and then I think within 3 days time, 4 days time, the promo will end. So please, you can see it on the screen right now. I'm sharing with you. So go to their website now.